Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, then hi, my name is Karina, and in this today's video we're gonna talk about my January favorites: skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, everything which I love this month. This video is not sponsored, so everything I'm showing in this video is the things which I genuinely love this month. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So let's start with the body care first because I only have few items in this category. So the first thing is this Dove Nourishing Body Wash. I think I have talked about this body wash so many times in my channel, but I used to use the same body wash of Dove but in a different variant. But I got this shea butter and vanilla this month, end of the month, and to be honest, this body wash is really good. I really like the fragrance of it. It really smells like vanilla and cocoa, and it also nourishes your body. And one thing I've also noticed about this body wash is that after shower also you will smell good for at least 1 to 2 hours. One thing I have noticed about drugstore body wash is that it doesn't last that long. It will smell when you are taking shower, but once you are out of the shower it doesn't smell anymore. With this body wash, once you get out of the shower also you will still smell good, and if you top it up with some lotion and mist, then you're gonna smell good all day long. And my second favorite thing has to be this silicone body scrub from Amazon. I used to use the normal loofah, but I heard it's not that good because it traps bacteria and fungus. And I heard that silicone loofah are much better than the normal loofah, so that's why I got this from Amazon. In one side you have this massager so that you can massage your body or your scalp. The other side you have this silicone scrub, so you can use it in your body. I really like this silicone scrub because it really helps to lather the body wash, and I use this body wash with this scrub, so it really helps me to gently exfoliate my body. So if you are looking for a good silicone scrub, then you should definitely go for this one. And the third thing is this Bath and Body Works body cream in the shade Glazed Pumpkin. Got this from my Dubai layover, and I'm not sure that this is available in India or not, but if you have anyone who can bring you this, then you should definitely try this one. It literally smells like a pumpkin and a vanilla in a bottle. It's not a body lotion, it's a body cream, and when you wear this with a perfume and body lotion, you're gonna smell good the whole day. So now let's move to the skincare category because I don't have much and I don't experiment a lot with skincare. If I like something, I really stick to the product which really works on my skin. But these are the few things which I tried in the month of December and January and which I really liked. So the first thing is this Dermaco 10% niacinamide. I have a combination and acne prone skin, so I really struggle with acne sometimes. So this serum has really helped me to fade the acne marks. At the same time, this also helps with the acne because when I apply this, my face doesn't get that much oil. So this also prevents from getting acne, but at the same time, what I've noticed is that this helps to remove the dark spots and also the acne marks. I have a lot of acne mark in my face, but it's not visible right now because of the makeup, but this has really helped me to get rid of the acne marks. The second thing has to be this Neutrogena Visible Repair Eye Cream. I'm using this eye cream for more than 2 months. I got this in the month of December last year, and I'm using this regularly after that. Being a cabin crew who doesn't have a fixed sleep schedule, I really struggle with dark circles, but this has really helped me with my dark circle. Again, dark circles are something that has to be fixed from within. I feel you need a proper sleep if you really want to get rid of dark circles, but which is not possible in my work profession, so I rely on highly on eye cream. So this one is really nice. This eye cream really hydrates your under eyes, and at the same time it also helps to fade your dark circles. But again, I'm saying that sleep is most important if you really want to get rid of dark circle. But if you want a good eye cream that really works, then you should definitely go for this one, because I have tried so many eye cream and not all of them have worked in my skin. This is something that has really worked for my under eyes, so you should definitely check this one. And the last thing in skincare has to be this Whisker Ceramide Lip Balm. I really love this lip balm and I have literally finished this lip balm. Now I have to get the new one, but it is really good. I really like the lip balm that has little bit of tint in it, and it has a really beautiful tint in it, and it also makes your lips very hydrate. It's very affordable again, and if you're looking for a good lip balm which also have like tint and also hydrates your lip for a longer period of time, then you should definitely go for this one. I've literally finished this lip balm. I don't have anything left, but I will get the new one because this one is like really good and I want to keep this in my skincare bag. For the hair care, I just have the one product, this L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum. This serum is so good. If you struggle with frizzy hair like me, then you should definitely get this serum. I just use this serum after washing my hair in a wet hair, and I just leave it for a while. And this serum really helps with the frizzy hair. At the same time, it will make your hair very smooth. And yeah, again, if you're looking for a good serum in affordable price, then you should definitely go for this one. I really like the bottle also. It's like it feels very luxe. And yeah, and the last thing which comes in my January favorite has to be this book, The Art of Creating. I got this at airport when I was going back to my hometown, and I got this because I thought it was quite interesting, and I feel everyone loves being creative. So this book talks about being creative and how to channelize your inner creativity. Looking for a good book to read this year or a easy read, then you should definitely go for this one. This one is really nice. I've finished this much only, but till now I really like this book, and it has to be in my January favorites. I also wanted to suggest some movies and series, but I haven't watched any movie and series this month which I really liked. So instead I would like to suggest a podcast. One of my favorite podcasts for this month has to be Better You by Fernanda. She's one of my favorite YouTuber, and so this podcast basically talks about self-care, self-love, discipline, and achieving your goals. And this year, if you are really into your grinding era, then I'll definitely suggest this podcast. You listen to it once because she posts really good content, and whatever she says, I feel I can really relate in my life as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my January favorites. I don't have anything favorites in the makeup category because I haven't tried any makeup, and I just wanted to be honest with you guys. And this is everything which I really loved in this month of January. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, love you.